Final preparations are underway for the state funeral of former Prime Minister Edward Seaga. Floral arrangements and tents were set up today. Screens have also been placed under the tents so persons can see what's happening inside the church. Media workers were also on location doing last-minute preparation. Mr. Seaga was Jamaica's 5th Prime Minister, serving from 1980 to 1989. The state funeral will be held at the Holy Trinity Cathedral at midday. And of course, TVJ will have live coverage beginning at 11:30 a.m. And ahead of the burial of Mr. Seaga, his sister Jean Anderson wants him to be remembered for the sacrifices he made to develop the country.
What he has done for Jamaica, I challenged anybody else. And I may not live to see it, but I hope it happens. Anybody duplicate 130 earth-shaking things. It did not just happen. He sacrificed. That man, I've seen him do without sleep. I've seen him ruin his health. I've seen him sacrifice his young children, all for the fact that he was going to improve Jamaica.
Mr. Seaga passed away on May 28, his 89th birthday. He was in the United States where he had been receiving treatment.